Here's how you can use Postgrid's Address Verification API to verify, correct, and standardize addresses across US and Canada. Once you've signed up to the platform, you can head to the Developers section to create an API key. If you're going to use this API key on a website, I recommend creating a public key and setting the origins appropriately. In this case, I'm going to be testing the API from a backend application, so I'll create a server key. Now that we have our API key, let's access the documentation to see how we can verify some addresses. And let's open this documentation up in Postman. For those unfamiliar, Postman is a tool which lets you organize and test APIs. You can generate code examples for the API requests you see here in whatever programming language you're using. In our case, we're just going to make API requests from within Postman. Let's start by verifying a single structured address. A structured address, from the perspective of Postgrid's API, is one which is already broken down into line 1, line 2, city, state, zip code, and country. First, I'll paste my API key in the header section so that our API request is authorized. Next, I'll run the example API request. We can see that the address we put in was missing a postal code, and our API was able to pick up on that and fill it in. Hence, the status of this request is corrected. This means that Postgrid filled in some information or fixed some typos. Now let's take the postal code that we received in the response and put it back into our original request. Now we can see that the status is verified, meaning that the address was deliverable as is. Next, let's remove the suite number from this address. Now we can see that the status is failed, meaning that it's not deliverable, and the reason is that it's missing the suite identifier. So Postgrid is able to recognize that this is a building, and the address will not be deliverable without a suite number. So let's put that back in. You can see that we also receive a few extra details with the response. As long as you provide the include details true parameter, we also get back options like street name, street type, street number, and the suite identifier. The complete list of details is provided in the API documentation. In addition, if you're on an enterprise plan, we also provide geocode information. So for example, we're given the coordinates in latitude and longitude of this particular building, in addition to the accuracy level. In this case, that's the rooftop, which is the most accurate level we can have. Now let's try this on a US address. Everything I showed previously applies for US addresses as well. However, in addition to providing the 5-digit zip code, we also respond with a zip+4 code for improved deliverability on all verified and corrected addresses. In this case, the address was missing a zip code, so we corrected it and provided the appropriate zip+4 code as well. Finally, let's try out the Freeform Verification API. This API allows you to send addresses as a single line rather than requiring that they be broken apart into line 1, line 2, etc. Let's copy that API key again. Let's try out the example API request. You can see that the address is provided as a single string rather than being broken apart. As you can see, the response is identical to what we sent in before. The only difference is the request format. We also offer a batch API in which you can send up to 2,000 addresses at once. In this case, I'm just sending 2 addresses. One is a New York address and the other is a Toronto address. And we can see that we received both back in the response. If I head back to the dashboard, I can get analytics on the verifications that I've made. If I head into the developer section, I can see how many lookups I've done with this particular API key. And that covers how you can use Postgres' standard verification API to verify addresses across US and Canada. Sign up and get 500 verifications for free.